Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. In a potential energy diagram, also called a reaction energy profile, different points on the curve correspond to different chemical species or states along the reaction coordinate. Reasoning. 1. Point W is at a local minimum on the left side of the diagram. This represents the reactants, the starting material with relatively low potential energy. 2. Point X is at the maximum, peak, of the energy curve. This is the highest energy point along the reaction pathway. 3. Point Y is at a local minimum on the right side. This represents the products, which are at lower energy than X but lower than W, indicating an exothermic reaction. Key principle: a maximum on a potential energy diagram corresponds to a transition state, also called an activated complex. The transition state is an unstable, high-energy species that cannot be isolated. It exists at the top of the energy barrier separating reactants from products. Why other options fail? B. A reaction intermediate appears as a local minimum between two maxima on the diagram, i.e., a valley between two peaks. Point X is a maximum, not a minimum, so it cannot be an intermediate. C. A resonance hybrid is a stable weighted average of resonance structures of a molecule. It is not a point on an energy diagram. D. A reactant corresponds to the starting point W, the local minimum on the left, not X. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.